How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two newsletter apps that can be used for a wide variety of applications such as SEO or your e-commerce site or your dropshipping site, whatever, being Mailchimp and Flodesk. So we'll be talking about the two platforms and going over the key features of both, as well as the pros and cons, and ultimately deciding which of the two is the better option. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So starting off with Mailchimp, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with, Mailchimp turns emails into revenue. So as you guys know, Mailchimp is a subscription system as well as a built-in engine that allows you to generate and customize your newsletter emails, a wide variety of designs on how it's going to come out. So it's a pretty cool little app that has AI integrated with it. As you can see here, it has Intuit Assist, and it's very cool when you guys use it for optimizing analytics and reporting. So going to the pricing part of things, you can see that Mailchimp actually comes for free, although the package and features that come with the free plan are very limited. So you get pre-built email templates, which is pretty basic and standard, and email support for the first 30 days. So this one is cool. Now it doesn't come with A and B ad campaign or email campaign testing, as you can see here. So you're pretty limited when it comes to that, but I actually use Mailchimp myself, and I think it's pretty cool. So the whole interface is pretty intuitive and responsive, and yeah, it definitely helps boost your store or whatever. So moving on to Flodesk. Flodesk is also a pretty cool thing to have as a plugin for your business, whatever model that may be. Now, it's also it pretty much offers the same services and the same deal. It's a subscription-based newsletter service that looks very stylish, as you can see here. So it comes with a different variety of, I should say, set of variations for customization. As you can see here, you can customize how your newsletter is going to look when it comes to the shapes, the color schemes, and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Now, it's pretty much the same deal, but if we're going to talk about which one is more preferred, I would have to give the edge to Mailchimp, and that is mainly because they have more reliable servers as far as sustainability goes. So I would go for Mailchimp. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And thank you all for watching. Bye bye.